Where's your father and Chris? It's not like them to be late for lunch.
I think they left a note.
Brian, what do you know about this?
Nothing.
I know when you're lying to me, Brian.
No, I swear.
Meg, take Stewie upstairs.
What are you doing?
Oh, you don't know that either. Last chance, Brian.
They're in Vegas getting a quickie bar mitzvah.
What?
Well, hello, Lois. Forgive me for pointing.
Quick, I need to borrow your car. I've got a bar mitzvah to stop.
No problem. Let me grab my keys. Here they are.
Run, bitch, run!